Wow, we're in the year 2022, and honestly, I'm really excited. I just want to give you guys a little recap on the previous year, which was 2021. As you can see by the title of this video, this year I'm trying to be more intentional about a lot of things, and obviously I'm being more intentional about these things because a lot happened last year that, you know, has sort of like woken me up and told me like, you know, girl, you need to sit up and I just needed to make a change. And yeah, I know there are a lot of people who are not big on New Year's and they feel like it's just another day, blah blah blah, but to me, it's, maybe this is an unpopular opinion, but I feel like people are just like, just don't let anybody with that type of energy make you feel any different. Like, I know that so many people are influenced by that. Like, if they tell you it's not that deep, then maybe you're also feeling like maybe I'm also like taking this way too personal. Baby girl, take it personal. Make sure it's personal, because to me it's really personal. I feel like it's a chance to actually have a new start. That's not to say that you can't have a new start on any other day. I just feel like, okay, I know that a whole year has gone by, 12 months, 52 weeks. That's not a joke, okay? And in 52 weeks, you built habits that you probably are not even proud of, and you achieve stuff that you are also proud of. Last year was crazy for me. You guys have no idea. Definitely there were good times, but there were bad times too. And I'm not one of the people who say that social media is a scam because people don't show you, you know, the bad side. I feel like people are entitled to show you whatever they want to show you. At the end of the day, it's their social media page, and if they want to just promote positivity, I feel like that's great, because I'm never the type of person who come online and tell you guys, oh my god, I'm sick, guys, oh my god, I am this, I am that. Like, except I want you guys to learn something from it, but aside that, that's typically not me. I won't go on my social media and post my drugs. Like, whoever wants to do that, that's fine. Like, I'm not trying to throw shade at anybody. I'm just saying personally, you wouldn't catch me doing that like regularly. And that's just because I don't want to share that part of my life on social media. It's just a thing that I don't want to do. But today I've decided to come on here, not to share personal stuff per se, but just to give you guys an idea of what my 2021 was like. I feel like mentally I went through it a lot because my parents moved from the country. They relocated, and so I'm just here alone with my sister. Life hit me hard. Like I was made the front runner, in the sense that I was put in charge of my sister, of my life. Yeah, definitely they do support me, but I realized that I went through phases that they were not able to be physically present for. And so that took a toll on me, definitely, because living with your parents all your life, and then boom, one day they just pick up your bags and go. Whew. Trust me, last year was not easy. And I definitely wasn't even crying to them like, you guys should come back, blah, blah, blah. I didn't do any of that. I feel like I braved it. I went through a lot, not just with my parents leaving, but like aside that, so many other things happened. And I feel like it was a stepping stone for me. Through the bad, you learn many things. I feel like going through bad experiences is not entirely bad, because you do learn from them. If you're only going through good things, you're not really going to learn anything from the good things. I mean, maybe you will, but not as much as you will from the bad things. This doesn't mean you should wish bad things on yourself. It's just to say that it matures you, it makes you grow. And I feel like I'm growing more and more. I mean, it's 2022. I'm going to be 21 this year. I feel like that's a big age. I don't want to get emotional on camera, but I just feel really blessed to see this year, and I'm excited because I don't know what's going to happen. And I usually fear the unknown, like not knowing what's happening. I always like get anxious about that. But I'm just taking it one step at a time. I feel like me taking God more seriously this year and being more intentional about him is going to change things drastically for me. This year I'm going to be manifesting a lot more. You guys have no idea what manifesting can do. I'm going to give you guys a whole testimony on that. Manifest everything. Speak mighty things. Like when you talk, when you say that I am rich, I am beautiful, I am going to be this, I'm going to be that, you are creating your whole destiny. You're writing a whole book. Don't say negative things about yourself. Don't say, oh my God, I'm broke. Don't speak negativity into your life, guys. Trust me, because it will manifest. So start to manifest positive things and you will reap those things. My church this year, I'm not really sure what the theme is, but it's something about seeds and, planting your seeds. And so it's just like words. When you plant good words, they're going to harvest into beautiful things. It's going to harvest into a bountiful harvest. It's going to be beautiful. You're going to reap so many beautiful things. And so take it from me, manifest everything you possibly can. Even if you don't believe it, try to, because trust me, it will blow your mind what God can do for you. I'm not even trying to preach on here. All I'm saying is that I'm trying to step into this year with a lot of positive vibes. I really do not want negativity around me. I feel like with situations, I'm going to do my best to learn how to control my emotions. I feel like last year, my emotions were all over the place. And so I wasn't thinking logically with my head. I was thinking more on the emotional side. But I'm going to make it a conscious effort this year to be more intentional and more strategic in everything that I do. Not in a bad way, but to the best of my abilities, to the best of my knowledge. I'm going to level 300. I am about to complete school. Like life is about to hit me harder. And I'm just saying, I'm ready. World Cup for me, I'm ready. I'm ready for whatever is going to happen. I'm just ready because I feel like I've put on the whole armor of God. I have God backing me. And so I'm going to be able to withstand anything that the devil wants to throw at me. Anything that negative vibes, anything, like bring it on. I'm going to kill all of you. On a more serious note, I'm just thankful for everybody. I'm thankful for you guys on YouTube. I am grateful that just last year I decided to take YouTube seriously. I created the account last year, and I think around April was when I decided to start posting continuously. And even though I haven't been so religious with my posting and all of that, I feel like I have grown. We are currently on 5,000 subscribers. I think that's a huge deal for someone who doesn't even post all the time. And we got monetized, guys. I don't know if I told you, but I got my pin. Let me just show you. I got my pin from Google AdSense. And for those of you that don't know what that means, it means that Google sent me a pin that can verify my address, which means like they want to confirm that I'm a human being. And so as soon as you do that, you can just connect, your YouTube account to your bank account, and that means that they're going to be sending you money directly. So basically, I'm a paid YouTuber. Okay, I receive money from YouTube now. But yeah, that's just to say that I'm really grateful for everybody that subscribes to my channel, everybody that loves my content, shares, both here and on Instagram and any other social media platform that you support me on. I am so grateful. I just hope that everybody here has the best year that they could possibly ever have. And I just want to say I love you guys so much. And I just have a grateful heart, okay? A grateful heart. Love you guys so much. And thank you for watching. This year, I promise you amazing content. I hope you liked what you guys saw in the earlier parts of this video, but I promise you that it's going to get better and better as I continue to, educate myself on this whole content creation thing and how much I love doing it for you guys. Trust me, it's going to pay off. And thank you. What am I doing? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share this video, leave a comment down below about your worst experience from last year and your best, and what you're also looking forward to in the year 2022. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.